Hello students, today I am going to solve some question of your exercise first B, and I think it is the last video of this exercise. Okay, in that I am going to discuss that question number 14. Okay, so question number 14 is given that find the areas of the given figures where all the corners are right angle and the dimensions are given in centimeter. So dimensions are given in centimeters and all the corners are right angle triangle. Okay, so in that question number 14, first part, I have taken this first part. In that your figure is given like that. This is a 1 centimeter, this one is a 5 centimeter. Okay, this one is a 3 centimeter, and this one is a 4 centimeter, and this region is a side. So find the region of the side, find the area of side region. So here, if you got this type of a question, first you identify the reason. Okay, divide this figure into the particular form. Okay, so here you see this one rectangle. If you divide this one is the second rectangle. So divide this figure into two parts. This is the first part, and this one is the second part. So in that first part, length is 2 centimeter. What about the breadth? Breadth is given that 4 centimeter. So this is a clear. Easily find this area of this rectangle. Length is multiplied by breadth. What about this one? Its breadth is given 1 centimeter. But what about the length? Total length is given that 5, and you know that till that its length is a 3 centimeter. Okay, this is a 3 centimeter, and total length is given that 5 centimeter. So what about this length? Length of this portion. Length of the second figure, 5 minus 3, you will get this 2 centimeter. So length of this region is 2 centimeter. So if you start this solution of this one, so very easy from there. Okay, divided the given figure into two parts, two rectangular parts, two rectangular parts, first one and the second one. Okay, now I'm going to calculate that the area of the first part for part 1. Part 1, length is equal to given that 3 centimeter, and breadth is equal to given that 4 centimeter. So area of first part is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So 3 is multiplied by 4. What you will get is this. You will get this 12 centimeter square. Okay, the area of this first part, you will get this 12 centimeter square. Now for a calculation for part 2, length, we have found this total length is a 5 minus the length of the first part is 3. So if you subtract this one, you will get this 2 centimeter, and breadth is equal to 1 centimeter. So the area of second part, it is also a rectangle. So length is multiplied by breadth. If you multiply this 2 into 1, what you will get is 2 centimeter square. This is the area of this region. This is the 2 centimeter square, and this one is a 12 12 centimeter square. So total area, you can find that the total area of the required figure. So here see this one. Hence the total area of the required figure. Hence the total area of the required region is equal to sum of the areas of part 1 and 2. Okay. So sum of the areas of part 1 12 plus 2, you will get this 14 centimeter square. Sum of the areas of part 1 and 2, you will get this one 14 centimeter square is the area of this part. This is a 12 centimeter square and this one is a 2 centimeter square. So if you add this one, then you will get the total area of this region 14 centimeter square students. Same as it is, you will do this question number 2nd and 3rd part also. So see this question number 15. Find the areas of the shaded portion of the following figures in which all the corners are right angled and the dimensions are given in meters. In this one, dimensions are given in meter, and find the area of a shaded region. So in that I will do this first, and third is the same as it is, and second one is like a question number 13 students, same as it is like a question number 13. 15 second part is the same as it is like a question number 13. In that you can find that the area of this 2 road, and then you will subtract the area of a common region, then you will get that the area of a shaded part. Don't find that the total area of this rectangular part, you can find that the area of a first road, then second road, and then you will find that the area of a common region. So sum of the 2 rows and subtract the common region, area of a common region, you will get that the area of a shaded part. Okay students, now see this question number first one, 15 first. I'm going to erase this one. See this question 15 first part. Figure is given that rectangular figure is given. Okay, inside it is given that this is a 2 and this one is a 8. Okay, and this one is a 12 and this is a 5. Okay, here it is a 5. All are given in meters. This is a 8 meter and this one is a 2 meter and this one is a 5 meter. So your question is asked them to find the area of this shaded region, shaded portion. Okay. So here is the rectangle. This is the first one and outer is this one second region. Okay. So this is outer rectangle and this one is the inner rectangle, inner, and this one is the outer rectangle. So in this one my calculation is for outer rectangular region, rectangular region. Its length is given that 12 meter and breadth is given that 5 meter. So area of outer rectangular region, rectangular. Okay, so you know that area of a rectangular part is length is multiplied by breadth, length into breadth. So 12 is multiplied by 5, you will get this 60 meter square is the area of this outer rectangular region. Now the calculation is for the inner rectangle. For inner rectangular region. Inner rectangular region. Okay. For inner rectangular region. Length is equal to 8 meter and breadth is equal to 2 meter. Length is equal to 8 meter and breadth is equal to 2 meter. So area of inner rectangular region is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Length is 8 and multiplied by 2, you will get this 16 meter square is the area of rectangular region. Okay, inner rectangular area of this region is 16 meter square and area of this total is 60 meter square. So can you tell this the area of this shaded region? Hence the area of the shaded region. Hence the area of the shaded region is equal to area of outer minus outer part or outer region minus area of inner part. Here it is related to this region. Okay, students, don't confuse this one. Area of outer part means outer rectangle is 60 minus area of inner part or inner region is 60. If you subtract this one, 4 minus 12 minus 4 meter square. So 44 meter square is the area of this shaded region. Area of this shaded region is 44 meter square. Okay. So same as it is your question number second one. There is a 2 roads. Find the area of the 2 roads and you can subtract the common region of this one. The common region is 3 and 2. 6 meter square and this area of first road is 30 and area of second road is 26. So add this 30 and 26, you will get this 56 meter square and if you subtract 6, you will get your answer 50 meter square. Same as it is for this third figure, 15 third one. In this one outer length and breadth is given. So you find that the inner, there is a 3 meter wide path which is shaded region. You will subtract 2 times from the length and 2 times from the breadth. You will get that the inner length and breadth. And then after you will find that the area of the inner portion and then after outer portion of region. From the outer portion you will subtract the inner portion. Then you will get that the area of this shaded region students. Okay. Now see this question number 16. In that, find the areas and perimeter of the following figures in which every corner is a right angle and the dimension zones are in a centimeters. So this is different. In that perimeter also you will find it. Okay. So see this question number 15 first part. This is question number 16 first part. Find the area as well as the perimeter. So first I am going to find out the perimeter. For perimeter, whatever the sides are given, you will add all that sides. You will get that the perimeter of the required region. So here is that all the sides are given, but this side is not given. So you can find the side of this. Find the side of this region. Okay. So side of this one is 8 is this one and 4 is this side. This is also 4 is this. If you match this one, this is 4 and this one is also 4. Okay. So if you join this one, this is a 4. And if you also join this is also 4 students. Okay. So 4 plus 8 plus 4 So if so find that the perimeter. So perimeter of the required figure. Perimeter of the required figure is equal to sum of all the sides. Sum of all the sides. Sum of all the sides. Okay, we have find out this one is of 16. So first we start from 16, then 14 plus 4 plus 10 plus 10 plus 8. Okay, sum of all the sides. 8, then 10, then 4, then 14. So if you add this one, 16 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 8, 22, 22 plus 4, 26, 26 plus 4, 33, 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So your answer is 80. Check one more times. 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. That is 80 centimeter is the perimeter of this region. Okay students, perimeter of this region is 80 centimeter. Now our aim is to find that the area. So for area we can divide this figure into a different parts. Okay. Now the calculation for area. Calculation for area. For areas. Calculation for areas. Now I will divide this figure into several parts. See this one. If I draw this line, join to this one. So this is your first part, this is your second part, and this one is your third part. Okay. So first our aim is to find out the area of this first part. There is a 3 parts. All are rectangles. Okay students. So divided the given figure into three rectangular parts. That is first one, second and third. If we find out the area of this first, second and third part and add all that areas, then we get that the required areas of this given figure. So one by one I am going to do that calculation. First one is for first area for first figure. For part 1, part first. Okay, so it is a rectangular part. Length is equal to 14 centimeter and breadth is equal to 4. Breadth is equal to 4 centimeters. Breadth is equal to 4 centimeters. So area of first part is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So length is equal to 14 and breadth is equal to 14. We multiply, we get this one, 56 centimeter square. So this is the area of this first part, and this first part is equivalent to the third part. Its length is also 14 and breadth is equal to 4. So you will get the same area. So similarly, I will use this word for this third part. Similarly, the area of third part is equal to the area of first part. Area of first, because the area length and breadth both are the same. So you will for third case, length is equal to 14 and breadth is equal to 4. You get the same area like the first part. So this is a 56 centimeter square. Now for third part, second part, length is equal to, here its length is equal to 8 centimeter, and we are talking about the breadth. So breadth, we don't know about this breadth. Okay, what is the length of this breadth? Total is given at 14. Total, if you know about this one, then after you will calculate the breadth. Total, it is a total is of 14. So and this till that it is a 10. So what is the length of this one? Breadth is equal to 14 minus 10. You will get this 4 centimeter. Okay. So the breadth of this part 2 is equal to 4. So breadth is equal to 14 minus 10. You will get this 4 centimeter. So now the area for this region. Now the area for this region. See this one, students. I am going to erase this. Area of part 2. Area of the second part is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So length is equal to 8 and breadth is equal to 4. If we multiply this one, we get this 32 centimeter square. So this is the area of the first, second and third part. Hence the total area of the required figure. Okay, some of the areas of first, second and third part. Okay, if you add this one, you will get that the areas, total area you will get it. Okay, so 56 plus second part is 32 and plus 56. If you add this one, you will get that the total area of the given figure. Means the total area of the required figure is equal to, if you add this one, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 2, 4, 14, 1 carry, 5, 10, plus 3, 13, plus 1, 14, 144 centimeter square. So this is the area of this required figure. Now, same as it is, you will do this second one. Okay, 16 second one, very easy. In this first one, now students, we have first you divide the figure into a different parts. Then you will find the area of that parts and add it all that part area of all the parts. You will get the area of the total area of the required figure. Okay. So same as it is this 16 second one also. So here I am going to explain the second one. Okay. Question number 16. Okay. Here is one figure is given and its dimensions are given. Okay. So these are in centimeters. So first is to find that the perimeter. Add all the sides, you will get that the perimeter. Now, so calculation for perimeter. Calculation for perimeter. So perimeter of required figure is equal to perimeter of required figure is equal to sum of all the sides. Sum of all the sides. Sum of all the sides. So we start with this 13. 2 times is 13. 13 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 10 plus 5 again 3 plus 13. Then we will count with this 3 plus 5 plus 10 plus 5 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. If you add this one, so 6, 3, 3, 6, 5, 8, 8, 5, 16. Sorry, here 5, 5, 10 plus 3, 13 plus 3, 13 plus 16, 16 28 plus 5, 33, 33 plus 5, 38. So 8 is there, 3 carry, 3 1 4, 4 1 5, 6 1 7. You will get this 78 centimeter is the perimeter of this figure. Now we are going to calculate the area of this figure. Now the calculation, this is the perimeter of this figure. Now calculation for area. Calculation for area of the figure. Okay, so we are going to do this calculation for area. So divide this figure into a different parts. So join this point with the dot. Okay, so this one also. So this is your first part. Okay, area of this first part. This is your first part. This one is your second part, and this one is your third part. So divided this figure into 3 parts. Okay, divided the given figure into 3 rectangular parts, like part 1, part 2 and part 3. Divided the given figure into 3 parts, part first, second and third students. Then it is important to find that the length, breadth of that figure, because all are a rectangle. So for first figure, see this one, and can you tell this what is the breadth of this figure second? Can you tell this total is 30, this one is a 5 and this one is a 5. 10 minus 30 minus 10. 5 minus 5, what you will get is 13 minus 10, you will get is 3 centimeter. Okay, so the breadth of this part is 13 minus 10, directly you will write here 3 centimeter. So it is a 3 centimeter. Okay, so you know that the length of first figure, that is 30 and breadth is 3. Third is also same as it is 30 and 3. And this one is length is 10 and breadth is 3. Very easy to find out the area now. So calculation for first figure, for first part, first. Length is equal to 30 and breadth is equal to 3. 30 centimeter and breadth is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay. So area of first part is equal to length multiplied by breadth. 30 is multiplied by 3. You will get this 39 centimeter square, and that is a similar. This portion, first portion, is similar to the third portion. So its area is also similar. So similarly, the area of so here I am going to replace this one. Similarly, the area of third part is equal to the area of first part is equal to area of first part is 39 centimeter square. Okay, students. So we get that the area of first and third part. Now our aim is to find out the area of second part. For part second. So in that, length is equal to 10 centimeter and breadth we are going to calculate it here. 30 minus 5 minus 5. We get this 30 minus 5 minus 5 10. We will get this 3 centimeter. So breadth is equal to 3 and length is equal to 10. So area of second part is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Length is 10 and multiplied by 3, you will get this 30 centimeter square is the area of this second region. Area of first region and third region we have found it. Now the area of third second region is 30 centimeter square. Now our aim is to find out the total area. Total area. Hence the total area of the given figure is hence the total area of the required figure is equal to sum of the areas of first plus second plus third parts. Now area of the first part is 39, area of the second part is 30, area of the third part is also 39. So if you add this one, 8, 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 108 centimeter square is the total area of this required figure. Okay, total area of this required figure is 108 centimeter square is the total area of this required figures. Okay, so this way I have completed this question number 16, students. Complete your copy properly. Okay, till that, thank you, students.